guys, I just locked myself inside this jet. No crew, no help, just me for 7 days.
Before I go crazy, let me show you my new home for the week. 5 protein bars and some almonds. That's it for 7 days?
Yeah.
Night 1 inside this plane. No beds, just seat naps. Jet lag minus the flying.
Like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe my channel to join with me.
Woke up to this view. It's surreal, being alone at 30,000 feet. But parked.
Jet bathroom plus travel shower equals creativity.
Day 2, and it's hitting me. I'm talking to a phone in a locked private jet. Who needs fancy gyms when you've got jet aisle workouts? Jet seats are comfy, but they don't hug you back.
You guys, there's secret space down here.
Still gotta look decent. Just me, this jet, and no judgment. Jet yoga. Surprisingly peaceful. Until turbulence. No power equals, no vlog equals. Romy disappears into jet oblivion. MrBeast the only person I've spoken to all day.
You know what's weird? Being grounded in a jet.
Jet chefs, don't try this at home.
Halfway done. I've laughed, cried, and talked to seat 7A.
I've resorted to drawing clouds inside a grounded jet. Yup.
Dance therapy, jet edition.
It's officially moody weather inside a jet. I can't leave.
12 seats. Again, because what else is there to do? Tonight's room?
Yes. Closet Deluxe.
Jet Closet Deluxe. 5-star experience.
Let's go, girl. Almost there. You got this.
Candlelight dinner for 1. My date. My phone.
Captain Romy speaking. Requesting permission to land, emotionally. Jet life seemed glam, but truth? It's lonely.
Last morning here. Can't believe I made it.
7 days later, freedom!
I did it.
This was more than survival. I faced myself. These memories, locked in a jet and in my heart.
To everyone watching, thanks for flying through this with me. Subscribe to Mrs. Romy. There are more wild adventures coming soon.